All right, can everybody tell us what's going on?
It's Christmas Eve. And Brandon just tooted.
All right, way to bring the new Christmas year in. Hey Amanda, are you excited?
Yes.
What are you excited about?
Opening presents and celebrating Jesus' birthday.
That is an awesome answer.
Oh yeah, I have a present. I have a present for you.
Okay, we can wait. It's all about the kids right now.
These are yours, baby.
They are.
I'm going to set them right here.
I'm so excited to see what I got. Oh my God, motorcycle.
Bring it here. That's Sam's, I can tell by looking at it.
Give me it.
Sam,
Here's some
please don't be that way.
etiquette. Give me it. You wait until Scotty says it's time.
So, we're opening presents. And we're so excited.
What are you excited about, Brandon?
Alright, so today's Jesus' birthday. I'm excited about seeing what I got. And I'm excited for when Santa comes.
And I'm thankful their daddy takes them to church so we know that this really is about Jesus' birthday.
That is awesome. Jake, do you have a pile? Okay.
If you get one of the top things you really want, say yes!
I hate to be a little bit of a I hate to be a little bit of a party pooper, but if Brandon, you can come back here and clean up this mess behind the couch, we'll get started.
Real quick.
Yes!
Are you excited, buddy?
I knew I'd get one.
That is from Mommy and Daddy. Your daddy.
Thank you guys.
Your daddy helped Mommy
This
get
mess?
that.
Oh no, there's not really a mess, buddy.
You don't have to clean up. He was just getting you to come see your mini bike.
Dad, you should send that to
Is there gas in it?
Because it said like have you send in all the funniest videos of your child.
Okay, should we let everybody go to town?
Yes.
Okay.
Just do it.
All right, go to town.